What is the verb phrase? A verb phrase consists of a main verb alone or a main verb plus any modal or auxiliary verbs. So, in this way you are seeing verb alone or a main verb plus any modal and or auxiliary verbs. So, verb phrase has all these things. The main verb always comes last in the verb phrase. For example, we all laughed. Laughed is what? Main verb. Now second, computers can be very annoying. Computers is a modal, C modal. Can is your main verb and very annoying. Annoying is also a part of verb. So in this way you are seeing that there is a verb phrase. An apartment would have cost less than a hotel for 4 of us. So here you are seeing an apartment. This is a model about which this is subject or model. Would is an auxiliary. Would. Have is a main verb. Have cost less than a hotel. So in this sentence also you are seeing verb phrase like this. Now Tony might have been waiting outside for you. So here would have cost less, right? And here the verb phrase is can be very annoying. This is verb phrase can be very annoying. Verb phrase, and here you are seeing would have cost. Would have cost is also a verb phrase. Here you are seeing have been waiting outside. Waiting, have been waiting. That is also a verb phrase. Now Tony is a model. Might have is auxiliary and been is his main verb in waiting. Now, so we see a verb phrase consists of a verb and all its modifiers. A verb phrase can be the predicate of the clause or sentence. Here you are seeing have been waiting outside for you. So here verb phrase is as a predicate we are seeing, because after verb whatever is the rest part of the sentence is predicate. So here we are seeing that verb phrase has been used as a predicate of the sentence. Now, Hari is waiting for the rain to stop. Here you are again see predicate. Hari is waiting for the rain to stop. Waiting is what? Your verb, and from is till here you are seeing predicate. So, as a predicate we are seeing verb phrase. She might enjoy an ice cream. After enjoy an ice cream, so you are seeing might enjoy an ice cream. It's a predicate. It can also be a phrase that functions as an adverb or adjective and contains a verb and its complements, objects or modifier. So what you are saying? Verb phrase can also be a phrase that functions as an adverb or as an adjective, and it may contain a verb, its complements, objects or modifiers. So in this way you will see verb phrase. Now Uma is coming with us to the movie. Now is coming is the verb phrase, is helping verb and coming is main verb. Together it is a verb phrase. We will distribute pamphlets as part of our presentation. So here will distribute is the verb phrase in which will is the helping verb and distribute is the main verb. Ethan should take his watch to get repaired. So should take is a verb phrase, should is your auxiliary helping verb and take is the main verb. Now we have gotten a lot of rainfall very lately. So have gotten is a verb phrase, have is your auxiliary and gotten is a main verb. Some sentences features a subject or a modifier placed in between a verb phrase, helping and main verb. For example, some sentences features a subject or a modifier. Subject is there, modifier is there. That is in between a verb phrase. That is verb phrase, helping and main verb. In between that. For example, due to the extreme heat, we did not go to the beach. So, did go, did go, that is your verb phrase here. Not is here. We did not go to the beach. So, what is there? Did go is the verb phrase, did is the helping verb and go is the main verb. Not is an adverb and is not part of the verb phrase. That we are saying did not go. So, it has come in between that phrase, right? Do you think she will join us? So, do think is the verb phrase, do is helping verb and the think is the main verb. You is a pronoun that is functioning as a subject. So, it is not the part of the verb phrase. Could Elizabeth bring us our coats? So, here you are seeing could bring is the verb phrase. Could is the helping verb and bring is the main verb. Elizabeth is a noun and that is functioning as a subject, and this is not a part of the verb phrase. It is just we have extend this. Teresa will soon have her dream job. So, you are saying will have is the verb phrase, will is the helping verb and have is the main verb. Soon is an adverb and this is again not part of the verb phrase. So, in this way also you will find there are many types of verb phrases. So, what have we learned? We have learned about the verb phrases, how where it is applicable, where it is used as an adjective, where it is used as an adverb, where we are seeing that it is the noun or pronoun, it's not applicable, it's not a part of verb phrase, but still it is there. So, in this session you must have an idea of the verb phrase, how the verb phrase is used in a sentence and giving it a different meaning or a clearer meaning. So, in the class, whatever you have learned, practice it again and again and try to write it. Find the verb phrases from your exercises, from your chapters and apply it in your writing also. In the next class, we will do something else, a new chapter. Till then, revise it and goodbye to you. Thank you.